Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to fix Windows activation error code. So how to solve this problem? So I have a 5-way to resolve your problem. Firstly, correct your time setting. So I suggest go to control panel, search on, and then click to time. You check your time right or not, and second is choose your right time zone. So Chennai, Kolkata, so this is Indian time zone, so you can select your country time zone, otherwise you Indian, so select Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, then okay. Second way, restart TCP IP. So you can in control panel, home, come on the home and click to network and internet and also sharing center, and then change adapter setting and Ethernet. If you using Wi-Fi, so you can Wi-Fi, otherwise you can using Ethernet. So right click to disable and then right click and then again enable. Okay, so and second is disable firewall. So come on again home control panel, click security, system and security, Windows Defender and firewall, and yeah, turn on Windows Defender firewall, so you can click to off. Okay, and then fifth is registry, re-register media boot, install re-register. So you search run, enter, type registry, regedit, then OK, click to yes, then full screen, then go to local machine, software, Microsoft, then Windows, scroll down, Windows, current version, then setup, then OOBE, then media boot, install, double click to 0. Okay, send, close. This is location I will give in description, so you then close, then open CMD, right click to run as administrator, click to yes, then slmgr space /rem, then enter. So guys, then restart your system. There you go. Please restart the system for the changes to take in effect. Okay guys, so all registry path and all command I will give you in description, so you can read from there. Okay.